And guys, this whole of the property is so beautiful. This is the back area of this property. We came from here. This is the way out. I don't know, this is the back road. The front road is there or there, I don't know. Now I'm just exploring this whole of the property. It's a huge property out here and full paisa vasool property. I would be showing you each and everything out here. Mind-blowing design of this property. They have planted these bamboo trees out here to give a screening part to all these properties. There are properties on this side, so they have given this. And excellent. Given these properties out here. You can see this huge. He has recognized me because he has smelled me out here. So yesterday also he did smell out us. So he came to know that these are the people from this property. They've kept these dogs for the safety purpose to this property. We would be just going upstairs. And guys, this is such a beautiful property. So guys, you can see a pool out here, infinity pool. There is a baby pool as well. Behind me you can see the changing rooms and toilets for this infinity pool, and here are the sitting areas. So yesterday it was very tiring day because I did a 6 hours of drive, not continuous, but taking at least for 15 to 20 minutes break, three breaks in between. But it was very tiring, so I had to rest. And the time when we came over here, it was 1:30. Then we, while completing all the process of registration and just check-ins, so it took at least half an hour to 45 minutes, and then we rested for a while. Then we had our lunch. Then I have shown you some snapshots and views from the property. So in the evening it got very late, so we just got on our beds and just lied down. And in the morning, when we woke up in the fajr time, when at dawn time, so it was an amazing view.